Have you ever wondered about the benefits of using a credit card for everyday expenses? Well, let's dive into that. Everyday expenses are those routine costs we all encounter, be it your morning coffee, groceries, or that monthly gym membership. Commonly, we tend to pay for these expenses using cash, a debit card, or a credit card. Each method has its pros and cons, but today, we're going to focus on the latter. Why a credit card, you might ask? The purpose of this video is to delve into the benefits of using a credit card for everyday expenses and compare them to the more traditional methods of using cash or debit cards. Whether you're a financial enthusiast or just looking to make the most of your money, understanding the potential advantages of credit card usage could be a game changer. So, buckle up as we explore this financial journey together. Imagine a world where you don't need to carry cash or worry about the balance in your bank account while shopping. Welcome to the world of credit cards, a universe that combines convenience with financial management. Let's start with the most obvious benefit. You don't need to carry cash, no more fumbling for change or worrying about losing your wallet. With a credit card, all you need is one piece of plastic that can be used worldwide. But the convenience doesn't stop at the physical world. In the digital age, credit cards are a must for online shopping. They are accepted virtually everywhere on the internet, from your favorite clothing store to your weekly grocery order. Just type in your details, click buy, and voila, your purchase is on its way. Now let's talk about automatic payments. With a credit card, you can set up recurring payments for things like utilities, subscriptions, or even your gym membership. No need to remember due dates or worry about late fees. Your credit card takes care of it all, making sure your bills are paid on time every time. But perhaps one of the most underappreciated benefits of credit cards is the ability to track expenses. Every purchase you make is recorded, providing a clear and detailed overview of your spending habits. You can see where your money is going, identify areas where you might be overspending, and make informed decisions about your budget. And let's not forget about the potential for financial flexibility. With a credit card, you can spread the cost of larger purchases over several months, making it easier to manage your budget without draining your bank account. So whether it's the simplicity of not carrying cash, the ease of online transactions, the convenience of automatic payments, or the clarity of expense tracking, credit cards bring a level of convenience to everyday expenses that's hard to beat. Sounds convenient, doesn't it? But that's not all that credit cards have to offer. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the other benefits of using a credit card for your everyday expenses. How about getting paid for spending? Yes, you heard it right. Now let's dive into the world of credit card rewards and cashbacks. These are essentially incentives provided by credit card companies to encourage you to use their cards for your purchases. So, how do these programs work? Well, it's quite simple. Every time you swipe your credit card for a purchase, you earn points or cash back. The amount you earn usually depends on the type of purchase and the specific terms of your credit card agreement. For instance, some cards offer more rewards for certain categories like groceries or gas, while others give a flat rate for all purchases. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? The truth is, there's no catch as long as you pay your balance in full each month. If you don't, the interest you'll pay could outweigh the benefits of any rewards or cashback you earn. But let's focus on the bright side. These rewards can be quite substantial over time. Imagine getting a percentage of your spending back in your pocket. It's like a small refund on every purchase. And who doesn't love a good deal? What's more, these rewards are very flexible. You can redeem them for a wide range of things, from travel and merchandise to gift cards and statement credits. Some cards even let you donate your rewards to charity. And let's not forget about cashback. Cashback is exactly what it sounds like. You get cash returned to you based on a percentage of your purchases. This can be a great way to save on everyday expenses. It's not just about big-ticket items. Even your daily coffee or weekly groceries can help you earn cashback. In a way, these rewards and cashbacks are a form of saving. You're essentially getting a discount on every purchase you make with your credit card. And the best part? These savings are on top of any sales or discounts the store might be offering. So, the bottom line is, credit card rewards and cashbacks can be a great way to maximize the value of your everyday spending. Effectively, you're saving money on the purchases you are going to make anyway. Ever thought of taking a loan or buying a house? Your credit card could help. You see, every time you use a credit card, you're contributing to your credit history. This is a record of how well you manage your finances, and it's a crucial factor that lenders consider when you're applying for a loan, a mortgage, or even a new credit card. Let's break it down a bit. Your credit history is like a financial report card. It contains details about your past and current credit accounts, your payment history, and how much of your available credit you're using. Lenders look at this report card to judge if you're a risk or a safe bet. So how does using a credit card for everyday expenses come into play? Well, when you use your credit card responsibly, you're proving to lenders that you can manage your finances effectively. Whether it's for your morning coffee, your weekly groceries, or your monthly utility bills, every swipe of your card is a step towards building a solid credit history. But remember, it's not just about swiping your card left and right. It's about making sure you pay off your balances on time. Late payments or defaulted credit can negatively impact your credit score. So be mindful of your spending and always pay your bills promptly. And what's the payoff? A good credit score. This 3-digit number is a summary of your credit health. A higher score means you're more likely to be approved for loans or credit cards, and you might even qualify for lower interest rates. It could be the difference between the keys to your dream house or a rejected mortgage application. So the next time you're about to pay for your groceries or fill up your gas tank, consider using your credit card. It's not just about the convenience or the rewards, it's about building a strong financial foundation for your future. In essence, your everyday expenses could help you secure that dream house or car in the future. What happens if you lose your wallet or fall victim to a scam? These are questions none of us want to face, but they're crucial to consider in our financial lives. When it comes to security and protection, credit cards offer a significant advantage over other forms of payment. Let's start with the risk of losing your wallet. If you're carrying cash and it goes missing, there's little hope of getting it back. The stark reality is, once cash is gone, it's gone for good. Credit cards, on the other hand, offer a different story. If your card is lost or stolen, a simple phone call to your credit card company can have the card canceled and replaced. The lost card becomes a piece of plastic with no value. Now let's talk about scams. In the digital age, fraud is a real and ever-present risk. Data breaches, phishing scams, identity theft. The list of potential threats is long and daunting. With a debit card, if your card information falls into the wrong hands, thieves have direct access to your hard-earned money. Recovering those funds can be a time-consuming and stressful process. But with a credit card, the scenario changes dramatically. Most credit card companies offer robust fraud protection services. If you report fraudulent activity promptly, you're usually not held responsible for the unauthorized charges. Your credit card company will investigate the matter, and in most cases, you won't be out a single dime. Moreover, many credit cards offer additional protective features like price protection, return protection, and extended warranties. These benefits can save you money and provide peace of mind when making purchases. So when it comes to safeguarding your money, credit cards offer a level of protection that cash and debit cards simply can't match. You can shop with confidence, knowing that if something goes wrong, you're not alone in resolving the issue. With a credit card, your money is protected. But remember, every coin has two sides. Yes, credit cards come with their own set of risks and responsibilities. But when used wisely, the benefits can far outweigh the drawbacks. So, we've covered a lot today about the benefits of using a credit card for everyday expenses. Let's take a quick trip down the memory lane. We began by looking at convenience, the effortless ease of swiping a card instead of counting cash or coins. Then we explored the exciting world of credit card rewards and cashbacks, how these incentives can add up to substantial savings over time. We also dived into how using a credit card can help in building a solid credit history. This is a crucial factor that lenders consider when you apply for loans or mortgages. And lastly, we delved into the security and protection features that credit cards offer, shielding you from fraudulent activities and providing a safety net in case of unexpected expenses. In conclusion, using a credit card for everyday expenses can be beneficial in many ways, but it's important to use it responsibly to avoid falling into debt. Until next time, keep exploring your financial options and stay savvy.